everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crafting with Stephanie. I'm Stephanie, your youth and community librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to make some really cool wall art to decorate your bedroom or any other part of your house using only magazines. It is a super fun and easy, colorful craft that will spruce up your space. The supplies you'll need include old magazines, scissors, hot glue or white glue, some sort of canvas. This could be cardstock, construction paper, a fancy canvas, whatever you have lying around, and a silhouette of an animal of your choice. You can find one very easily by typing into Google animal silhouette, and there's a variety you can choose from. Today, I chose a bunny because I love bunnies. All right, now that you've gathered your supplies, the first thing we're gonna do is cut out our animal silhouette out of your paper. Now that your animal silhouette is cut out, we're just gonna set this aside for now. Now you're gonna wanna grab your magazines. We're going to cut out a bunch of pieces, and this will act as our decoration on our animal silhouette. The more colorful the pages, the more colorful your wall art's going to be. So flip through, find some really nice colorful pages, and then just rip the whole page out. Once you have your paper torn out, we're going to fold in half twice to make 4 squares. So now we have 4 squares on our magazine paper, and we're going to rip them out. If you want to make an extra hard seam to make it easier to rip, fold the other way. And you're gonna rip along your seams. So we have half. And half again. With one of your rectangles, we're going to start at the corner and we're going to roll them really, really nice and tight. So you can kind of see that I'm rolling it, but I want the color to show outward, so I'm rolling onto itself, like so. So nice roll on there, and you just keep going until you get to the other end. So now we have this really nice long tube, and to make sure that it doesn't unroll, we're going to take a piece of tape and tape it together. Got our tape, find where it ended, and just tape it down, like so. Now you're going to repeat this process with all of your pages, depending on how large your animal silhouette is, pages you need to rip out of your magazines, and how many little rolls to make. So this step might be a bit time consuming, so throw on some music, jam out, and have fun. Now that you have all your little magazine squares rolled up like this, we're going to hot glue them onto our silhouette image. Now, it's totally okay that your tube might be longer than your silhouette image because we're going to cut it out afterwards. So starting from one end, working to the other, we're just gonna glue all our tubes down onto the silhouette. So for example, I have these 2 rolls glued onto my silhouette, and if you flip it around, they're much longer than my silhouette image. That's totally fine. Just a tip is to kind of measure out your tube on the silhouette so that you don't get hot glue on this upper part and on your table, because then your table will get all sticky. That's no fun. So now that you have a majority of your silhouette covered, it's time to flip it over, and we're going to trim all of the excess paper rolls. It's totally okay if you have little pieces of black still, because what we're gonna do with the excess rolls is to fill in all those little spaces that we couldn't get with the long ones. So turn it around so you know where the silhouette edge is, and grab your scissors and we're going to cut. It's looking super cute already. Oh my goodness, so adorable. So with your little excess tubes that we just cut off, some of them you might have to retape if they've come apart. We're just going to, you can either glue them on and cut around, or cut them down to size and fill in the little black parts that you might have still to fill in. Let's do that. So once we put it on our canvas, you can tidy it up a bit if you like. I went in and kind of glued down some areas where the rolls were coming unfurled. You'll want to kind of pull off any of that yucky hot glue string before you put it on your canvas so that it doesn't look so weird. And once you're happy with how it looks, you're going to grab your canvas, whichever background you have chosen. I just chose a black cardstock so that all the colors of my bunny will stand out, and we're going to hot glue him on the center. And there we have it, your very own magazine wall art to decorate and spruce up your room or personal space. This is so cute. I really love the colors. The pinks and the blues I picked out really match the bunny. I'm really in love. I really am. If you make this craft, make sure to share it with us on our Instagram page at MHPLteens and tag us using the hashtag craftingwithstephanie. Until next time, friends, stay safe. Bye.